Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
Frank. 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 Bro. I thought you was dead, motherfucker. This is not cool, Cosmo. Is that code for that you want picked up and you don't want to have to jump even though you're
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's dead.
Today, as I'm pregnant with his second child.
Oh no.
What?
Damn.
up, 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 up. No, 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 up, 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 up. Oh, it up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, I don't want to flex on you guys, but let me just show you some real shit right now. Either you agree or you don't, but you just gotta understand he do it like that, and he's gonna stay doing it like that.
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
Come on. Come on.
What the?
Hello? Can you get off the salt lamp, please? No. Don't get more on the salt lamp. Get off the salt lamp.